Text parsing is a technique for analyzing a sentence to identify its grammatical components such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more. Text parsing is useful for linguistic analysis and information extraction, and if you ask me, it's not an easy task if you do it manually, and it's pretty slow to perform. So, for example, in this case, Xavier Morera is currently working as fast as he can to create this course because he's very close to the deadline. If I perform text parsing, it would look like this. Let me show you with a demo. So here's that text parsing notebook, which starts just like all the other ones. Here, I'm going to provide the input text, the one about me being close to the deadline. And here's the prompt: parse the grammatical components of the following sentence. And now, when I execute, the GPT model performs the text parsing almost instantly. Imagine doing this on a large body of text. That will be quite hard. This changes the name of the game.